just eating a apple cookie thing. Martin is eating stuff too. Very medieval. While watching a precision pass with cannons. Indeed, we are at a medieval event. Martin, food review. Very good. What are you eating?
Crackling with cheese.
And I'm eating an apple flap cook. Yes, a pretzel and another apple flap cook. Martin is very hungry as always. It's very sweet, not too sweet. I could use a bit more apple though, it's a bit dry, but all in all, old-fashioned medieval food.
Very salty, very cheesy.
Yes, it's approved.
Salty.
It's approved. We approve of this delicious medieval food. And now we're going to check out the fairgrounds a bit more and watch a medieval battle maybe, and a bunch of other random stuff. So yeah.
Maybe some ice cream at the end.
Yes. Medieval event, the Quaye Werelt it's called. It's in Antwerp in the Rivierenhof. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. Welcome to the video, and hope you have fun in this vlog. Oh, we have more soldiers coming. They are all preparing for the big battle. We will watch later.
At the end, people trade in first aid.
We are following the knights to the battlefield. There's quite a lot of them.
I'm holding with us.
Maakt een beetje open. Ondertussen zijn die smerige Bourgondiërs er ook. En af en toe hopen we dat ze het antwoord zijn tegen gaan hebben. En dat we dat misschien kunnen uitklappen. We noemen dat ook wel parlay. Ja.